Today we are looking at changing an ECO800 downlight. The ECO800 downlight is specifically designed so the homeowner can replace the light simply. Ensure the lights are switched off before removing and connecting your new ECO800 downlight. Gently pull down the bezel with one hand. Once the springs appear, with your other hand, place your thumb and fingers on alternate springs. Continue pulling down carefully. Remove your one hand from the bezel and gently release the springs. Keep pulling down the unit slowly until you see the driver and mains connector. Place one hand on the mains connector and the other on the driver. With your hand on the driver, use your thumb to press the clip in. Pull the driver down whilst keeping the clip pushed in and holding the mains connector securely. With your new ECO800 downlight, place one hand on the mains connector and the other on the driver. With your hand on the driver, use your thumb to press the clip in and connect to the fittings. When the mains connector and driver are connected, you will hear a click sound. Feed the mains connector carefully into the ceiling hole. Position the springs so they are facing upwards. Continue moving the downlight into the ceiling hole. Carefully release the springs once they are inside the ceiling hole. Secure the bezel to the ceiling. Now test the ECO800 downlight by turning it on. If you have any questions or queries, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support. You can either contact us via email or give us a call on 01905 610 200.